Developing hyper awareness. Let's try something a little different. For the next few seconds, don't change anything. Just notice the sounds around you, the position of your body, the feeling of your breath, and at the same time, notice that you are noticing. That is awareness. Now we are going to gently expand it. First of all, what is hyper awareness? Hyper awareness doesn't mean being overwhelmed, it means being deeply present with clarity. It's the ability to notice more details, stay aware of multiple things at once, remain calm while observing, not forced attention, but expanded awareness. Why most people miss things? Most of the time, people are lost in thoughts, distracted, reacting automatically. So, even though information is present, it goes unnoticed. It's not that the signals aren't there, it's that attention isn't available. Awareness versus overthinking. This is important. Awareness is not overthinking. Overthinking, analyzing everything. Awareness, it is noticing without reacting. You are not trying to interpret every detail. You are simply allowing yourself to see more. Let's do an exercise. Look straight ahead. Now, without moving your eyes, become aware of your peripheral vision. Notice what's happening on the sides. Don't focus hard, just allow it. You'll start sensing more without effort. Let's do another exercise, dual awareness. Let's combine two things, your breath and your surroundings. Be aware of both at the same time. If your attention shifts, gently bring it back. This trains your mind to stay present internally while observing externally. Applying this with people. When you interact with someone, instead of focusing on just their words, gently expand your awareness to include their tone, their facial expressions, their body language, your own internal response. You don't need to analyze, just notice. And over time, understanding becomes more natural. Why this feels powerful? As your awareness expands, you will begin to notice things earlier, respond more calmly, feel more connected, and again, this can feel like something extraordinary, but it's simply your mind becoming more available. Let's do a small practice. Throughout your day, pause for a few seconds and ask, what am I aware of right now? Not just one thing, but multiple layers. Thoughts, body, environment, just notice. You don't need to try harder. You just need to open your awareness quietly and gently because everything you are trying to notice is already there. You are just learning to see it. In the next lesson, we'll explore something that ties all of this together, brainwave states, understanding how your mental state influences perception. I'll see you there.